so there is a problem with my Lomi. So I think it's the fan. These additions, they said that the fans be going out fast on them. So I'm finna try to show y'all how to fix it, because I'm about to teach myself and y'all at the same time how to fix this, see if it can fix. First, let me show y'all what's wrong with it. So when you plug it up, it comes on, and then you just basically start it, and it goes for a while, and then it just shuts off. So let's give it a minute. There it go. It just stopped like after like 30 seconds. And it's on cooling. That's supposed to be the last cycle. So we gotta fix this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out the filters, because I don't want the filters to be upside down. Because I'm gonna turn this upside down to fix it at the bottom, if that makes sense. That's one filter. And then take out the back filter. Put that over there. So now I'm gonna unplug it first. Okay. And why it's unplugged and the light's still on? Oh, it just went off, but the light was still on. So now that the light is off, I'm gonna turn this which way? On its back, I think, and try to open up this bottom compartment right here. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna unscrew these to open it up. That one out. So we got all four out, and boom. Now, yeah, I don't know. Let's see. Okay, so first we're gonna see what they sent me so I can know what I need to replace. How about we do that? Because it's supposed to have been a piece of a fan part or something that they said might be wrong with it. So let's see what it looked like, then I'll know which part I need to take off. The helly? Okay, so this is the fan. I don't see that. I don't see that nowhere. So I think the fan might be inside of here where I gotta take this big piece off, or it might be underneath this motherboard. I'll be back. All right, so I took off the wrong piece. My bad, y'all. We're gonna put this back on, because all I did was just took the screws out. So the part that we need to open is this part, but you can't really see the holes where the screws are because they have this label over it. So if you touch around it, you will feel like holes where they have the screws in. So I'm gonna put this back, and then I'm gonna come back when I'm gonna open it. If you just, I'm gonna just stick a hole in this. I guess y'all could try to take the piece off. Which way? Lefty loosey, righty tighty. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's starting to come out. Okay, we got one out, and then I think it's only two, y'all, because the other one over here. There we go. Now it looks familiar. All right, so I think I'm gonna come on that side so y'all can see it better. So I make sure we take this out and put it back in the same damn way. So this is how it look like it's in there, right? Like that, connected to that. So I think we just need to pull this out. Oh yeah, okay. So like this. So I already got it the same way, so I don't mess nothing up. Okay, then just take this out. And I guess we just gonna put this one in like that and connect it the same way. The same exact way. Okay, there we go. Boom. That should work. So we're gonna put this back on and hope that it works. There we go. Okay, and then this last one. I know everybody gonna be wondering what's going on with they Lomi too. Like, why it's not working? I hope this works. I really do. Because if it don't, then they're gonna have to send me a different part. I'm gonna have to probably open this up and take something out. So we put the screws back in. We're gonna put the filters back in, and we're gonna start this baby up. On the next video, on the other video, I actually did a video on what I'm doing with this. So if y'all want to see that, y'all go to that one. But I am finna show y'all to see if it works first before we leave y'all today on this video. Alright, so we got our food in it. We're gonna go ahead and put this back in and see if it starts and it works. We finna go ahead and start it up and see if it's working now, because it wasn't working. So now we have it on. We're gonna plug it up, or we have it in there and we're gonna plug it up. And make sure it's working. Can y'all see it? So we want it on this one, like we said last time. Now, I'm gonna give it 30 seconds. Uh-oh, y'all, it might be working this time. It hasn't stopped yet. I think we good on this one. I fixed it, I fixed it, I fixed it. It do got a little corrosion on it. Not corrosion, but it got like some, let me show y'all. It got like some gel on it. Can y'all see that? I don't know if y'all can see, but right there it got a little gel on it, little tip. I don't know what that is, but it don't work. Looks like I fixed it, so I showed y'all how to fix the fan on the Lomi. Thumbs me up too.
Hit that subscribe button.